Hey you guys, I just wanted to hop on real quick and let you know that today's video is not intended for children. Us adults are going to have some fun. I'm going to show you 2 new holiday cocktails for your holiday parties. Hello everyone and welcome back to another edition of the 12 Days of Christmas. So I have a special treat for you guys today. You know I love my wine and my fancy cocktails, so I called my friend Kamesha, or KB. She is one of the best bartenders in Tampa Bay, and so today we are going to talk a little bit about her business and some special holiday cocktails that you've got whipped up just for us, right?
Absolutely.
So tell us a little bit about you.
Well, Shaken Stirred Bartending is a full-service bartending company. It's located in Tampa Bay, but we travel all around. We cater to events of all kinds, and in 2020, I am starting Shaken Stirred Bartending Academy.
Yay! Yes. I want to come.
You can be our first enrollee.
So you're going to teach people how to bartend?
Yes, how to bartend and also how to start their own bartending business.
And how long will it take for me to go through your class?
2 weeks. Just 2 weeks.
I mean, I'm totally in. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about what you are whipping up for us today. You're the bartender with the mostest. So.
All right, the first drink is Baby It's Cold Outside. I have in this drink some Baileys, Grand Marnier, and Amaretto.
Yummy.
And we will start making our little cocktails.
Okay.
Add
So
some
you're putting
ice.
ice. Okay, so normally I'll drink like Baileys with warm drinks. So you're going to make a cold drink with this.
Going to make this cold, but it will warm you up.
Okay. Okay, so are you going to tell us how many ounces and things that we'll need, or are you going to
Sure.
kind of freehand it and then?
I'm going to freehand it, but I'm also going to tell you you're going to need 1.5 ounces of Baileys.
Okay. Oh, you had me at Baileys.
And I'm going to pour a double because it's for both of us.
Yes, I love it. That's probably the best part of this video. Probably part of the best part of this video is that I get to taste test these.
Absolutely. You're going to love it.
And this is the Grand Marnier.
Yes. Or as we call in the bartending world, Grandma.
Grandma, I've never heard that before. See, I've learned something already.
All right.
And that's the Di Serrano?
Yes, I'm sorry. That was 1/2 ounce of Di Serrano Amaretto.
Okay.
And then 1 ounce of Baileys. But I poured double for us.
That's okay. Oh, it smells so good. So you just freehanded all of that. I always have to measure. I have my little 1 ounce measuring cup.
Yeah.
How do you know how much alcohol or liqueur is enough to pour into your shaker?
Well, you'll have to enroll in Shaken Stirred Bartending Academy in 2020 for that. No, just kidding.
No secrets? You won't give us one little industry secret?
Yes,
Come on,
industry
Kamesha.
secret. You have to learn in bartending school how to free pour. You can use the little jiggers as well, but in a high volume nightclub, no one's going to sit there while you 1,
Right.
2, 3, 4. So the count is it's 1/1000 when you're pouring, and that's a 1/4 ounce. 1/1000 to 1,000 is a 1/2 ounce, and it just keeps going all the way up to the ounce. So it's like, yeah, that's how you count and pour.
I didn't know that.
It's
so I
super
could be
easy.
1/1000, 2/1000, 8/1000, 12/1000, 14/1000.
Keep going as much as you want.
Awesome.
Yes.
All right. So you ready? So you've mixed all 3 of those.
Yes.
And that's it, just over ice.
Over ice,
And
you
shake?
shake it, and then you're going to strain it out.
That looks so festive.
Yes.
Now, would you garnish this with anything, or
For this one,
just
no,
leave it
you can
plain?
just leave it plain. I've taken a cherry sometimes and put it on there, but
Smells so good. Is that
it's
for
good
you,
without
or
it.
is that
That's for you. That's for you.
ready?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, this smells amazing, you guys.
Won't it warm you up?
This reminds me of the chocolate martini,
Yeah.
but less sweet, which is what a lot of people didn't really like about the Godiva chocolate martini.
Uh-huh.
This is excellent.
Delicious. My favorite.
So Christmassy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, can I sip on this while you make the next one?
Sure. Okay. Cheers.
This feels so good in my tummy. You were right. It
Feels
feels
so good warming you up.
I could see me and Buttons having one of these like outside by the fire pit.
Definitely.
Like, watching an outdoor movie.
Cheers.
Cheers. Merry Christmas.
Ooh, that is warming. I'm sorry. I think I overpoured a little bit. Something. I was like, I took a little sip. I'm like, ooh.
She said, ooh. No, it's perfect for me.
Okay. I'm like, you know how you sip Grand Marnier and that initial like, oh, I think I overpoured just a little bit of it.
It's really good though.
Grandma got you.
Yes, Grandma got me. Buttons, do you want this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. You will really, really enjoy that. So I'm halfway through the first cocktail that you made, and it is so yummy.
Delicious.
We let Theo out, so if you hear something that sounds like a White Walker in the background, it's the dog. So tell us what you're making for us next. It looks amazing.
The next cocktail is going to be a pink Christmas, as you can tell. Shaken and Stirred Bartending, one of our colors is pink.
Oh.
So I decided to do a spin on white Christmas, and it's pink Christmas.
Awesome. So what are all the ingredients?
All right, my lineup for this one is 3 olives cherry. I have pink
And that's
Moscato.
vodka, or is that a liqueur?
Oh, vodka, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Then I have some pink Moscato. I'm going to top it off with some cherry 7-Up and garnish with a rock candy stick.
Yummy.
And a cherry.
So is this like a sweeter martini, or compared to like a Cosmopolitan? Because I like Cosmos.
A little sweeter.
Okay.
Well, maybe a little sweeter.
All right. Okay. Let's see what you got, sister.
Okay.
So you're going to shake
some
this up with ice. Okay.
This one I'm going to stir. Shaken and stir.
Oh. So here's a question for you while you're doing that.
Sure.
What's the difference between a shaken martini and a stirred martini?
There's really no big difference. A lot of people, they will say to stir the cocktail and not bruise the ice, because you get the
ice.
bruising, the chipping
Yeah.
of the ice, and it sometimes comes over in the drink. So
Okay.
That's the only
I like little ice shavings in my cocktails
too.
though.
Me too.
All right, I'll be quiet, let you work. Tell
Okay.
us what you're doing.
1 ounce of 3 olives cherry vodka, or any cherry vodka. I'm going to jigger pour for this one.
Okay.
Okay. Then we're going to take 2 ounces of pink Moscato.
No, Moscato makes me nervous. I don't know.
Why?
I don't know. I don't drink it normally, so it makes me a little
You'll be
nervous.
fine.
Okay.
If you can drink that, you can drink this one.
Okay.
And I'm going to top it off with a little bit of cherry 7-Up.
Oh, so that's why you can't shake it, because the bubbles would.
The effervescence.
Gotcha.
So we're just going to stir it.
Okay. Oh, I'm so excited.
All right. Put on your strainer.
Oh, that is beautiful. Oh.
And then, not finished just yet.
Okay. Very
Add the
fancy.
cherry.
Oh, yes. Oh
And a
my
cute little
goodness.
And you're done.
Nice. Do you want another glass to make one for yourself, or?
Absolutely.
Okay. This looks amazing. All right. I'm going to taste test.
Taste test.
Okay. Here we go.
You like it?
This is good. So I like a martini where I can enjoy the drink and it not be too sweet, but there's flavor.
Yes.
And that's what this.
You like
what
it?
This is, yeah. And normally I'm not even a big cherry fan, but it's not overwhelming.
Yeah, just a little bit. You want to just top the drink off with 7-Up. But the Moscato has a little bit of a
Does anything
kick.
happen if I leave my rock candy in there, or
No, just a little sweetness will add to it, but it really doesn't.
mess with?
Yeah, it doesn't mess with the flavor too much.
Okay.
It's just really cute. You're fancy.
Oh, you're fancy. I hope you guys got some great ideas. I really like trying to try different drinks, but I'm always nervous about like how they're going to come out. So
Definitely.
I'm glad I had a professional here today to
Run it by me first.
get me outside of my comfort zone and help me try new things. So do you have any suggestions or tips on for the viewers on, so a lot of questions I've been getting this season, people are trying to prep for their parties. Like, do you have any suggestions or tips on maybe things that you can get ready before the party starts to make things easier during the event, or anything that you think would be helpful for people that are planning their Christmas parties?
I'd say start early.
Okay.
If you're looking for Christmas parties to start that, do it now. Garnishes you can get the week of or the week before, but the liquor, make sure that you have enough. I'll post that actually on my website. A lot of people get questions, how much liquor do I get? Do I want to get a little bit, or do I get, or how much beer, wine, and liquor do you get? You just have to be discerning of your guests.
Okay, so let's just say, typically speaking, we'll host a party with no more than 20 people. So if we are wine drinkers, what would you say would be a good amount of wine to prep for? Not to put you on the spot.
I'd say people tend to drink like a glass and a half per hour.
Okay.
Somewhere around there.
Okay.
So I usually measure it
about
like
right for our crowd.
And 1 pound of ice per hour per guest.
A pound of ice.
Pound of ice, yes. So unless if you're having wine, no. But
yeah, no
liquor
ice
drinks
for wine. But if you're serving cocktails, a pound of ice
per hour per guest.
Per hour per guest. Okay.
Yes.
Good to know. Good to know. Thank you so much for coming and doing this with us today.
You're very welcome. Thank you for having me.
Is there anything else you'd like to share, or your business, or I'll put your contact information? And so do you come out to, say, parties and events if people are hosting in their homes?
Yes, I actually love those. You get a nice intimate setting.
Yeah.
It's not like the bars and nightclubs where just anybody comes in.
Right.
And they're there for a common purpose, and it's usually just fun and entertainment and joy.
Cool. So we can contact, what's the best way to contact you?
Best way to contact me is kb@shakenandstirredbartending.com. My website is www.shakenandstirredbartending.com.
She's doing such a great job with Theo in the background, acting like a White Walker. So thank you so much, KB, for coming out.
You're very welcome.
Thank you so much. I know Theo's over there having a little field day with his bone. So we are going to enjoy our cocktails.
Yes.
Merry Christmas, happy
Cheers.
holidays, and please drink responsibly.
Yes.